to discuss this afternoon is easy, so you don't need to worry about it. Just relax and enjoy our class. So after this class, students, okay, you should be able to identify and reproduce different intonation patterns in English, not Korean. So you heard the word intonation. It means I'm going to discuss intonation. Let me start with this question. What does intonation mean? What does intonation mean? Tamara, what does intonation mean? Relax.
I think it means up and down of the voice.
Up and down of the voice. Okay, up and down of the voice. Okay, intonation actually it is very short. Okay, George, could you please read it?
It is the rising and falling pitches of the voice when somebody says a word.
Very good. So, intonation. It is the rising and falling pitch of the voice. So, if you say pitch, it means level. Level of the voice when somebody says a word. So, if you will say rising, it's like Again? Very good. Falling. Okay, just an example, okay? So, this is intonation. Now, is intonation important? Alice, is intonation important?
Yes, it is important.
Very good. Sunny, is intonation important?
Yes, it's important.
Very good. Tamara?
Yes, it's important.
Very good. And then George?
Yes, it's important.
Of course, it's very important. Intonation is important like pronunciation. Why? For example, you committed a mistake with your intonation. It can change the meaning of your sentence. Okay? So intonation is important, so be careful with your intonation. Okay? Because, sometimes a word can hold 2, 3, or even more meanings just by the change of your intonation. Okay? So, I will give you an example. Please read it. You can't read it. You can't read it. Here. Okay. So please read it. Really. Okay.
Really?
Good.
Really?
Good.
Really?
Good. Listen to this one. Really. Falling intonation. Really? Rising intonation. Now they have different meanings, of course. If you say really, what does really mean? Tamara.
It means certainty.
For example, I said, really? It's like this person doesn't believe you. Okay? Now, for example, Kim Yona is my girlfriend. Answer.
Really?
Kim Yona is my girlfriend. That means like you don't believe me. But for example, how about, really? George.
Really?
Okay, so please try it. Really? Really?
Really?
No, following intonation first.
Really?
Rising.
Really?
Very good.
Really? Really?
Very good.
Really? Really?
Very good.
Really?
Very good. Okay. And please keep in mind, it is also important to remember that intonation changes from language to language. Okay? Because the way you intonate certain word in a sentence in your native language, which is Korean, is not always the same when you pronounce it in English. So please be careful with your intonation. Now, let's make some examples. Okay. Maybe you're familiar with these words. WH words and subject-verb inversion. Okay? You can read them, right? Okay. So, when do we use these words? When do we use them? Yes.
In the question.
Okay. When we construct sentences. But remember, not all sentences begin with WH words and subject-verb inversion. If you will say inversion, it means reversal. Okay? Now, I will give you an example. Yeah, this one is, true, okay? Now, I will read it. I am nervous. It's a statement. It's a positive sentence. Try it.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Very good.
I'm nervous.
Very good. I'm nervous. Very good. Now, it's a positive sentence, okay? It's an affirmative sentence. Let's change it into an interrogative or a question. But how? How can I change it into an interrogative? Alice? How can we change it into an interrogative without changing its structure? No, don't change the structure. How can you change it into an interrogative without changing its structure?
I am nervous.
What did you do?
Rising intonation.
Very good. You use rising intonation at the end of your statement. Like this one. Rising intonation, it means it's already a question or interrogative. For example, I am nervous. It's already a question. George, try it.
I am nervous.
Very good.
I am nervous.
Very good.
I'm nervous.
Very good.
I am nervous.
Very good. Interrogative, or what you call questions. Because you just change the intonation at the last part of your sentence. You use rising intonation. Now, I will give you more examples. Now, please read the first example tomorrow. Yes, just read it.
I am wrong. I am wrong.
Very good. Next one. George, read the next example.
He is a teacher.
Very good. Next one. Alice.
She is hungry.
Very good. And then Sunny.
She is a doctor.
Very good. Affirmative. He, not she, okay? So, affirmative sentences or positive sentences. Now, I want you to change